OpenAI just dropped GPT 5.1 and it's a game changer. This is the biggest update to ChatGPT in months. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything, the release details, the pricing, how to access it, and all the new features you need to know about. Let's dive in. On November 12th, 2025, OpenAI officially released GPT 5.1. This is the first major upgrade to GPT 5, which launched just 3 months ago in August. So, why did OpenAI release this so quickly? Well, GPT-5 had some problems. Users complained that it felt cold, robotic, and sometimes it didn't follow instructions properly. People were actually frustrated with how it responded. So, OpenAI listened and they built GPT 5.1 to fix these issues. GPT 5.1 comes in two variants. First, GPT 5.1 Instant. This is the new default model. It's warmer, more conversational, and better at following your instructions. Second, GPT 5.1 Thinking. This is the advanced reasoning model. It spends more time on complex questions but responds quickly to simple ones. Both models use something called adaptive reasoning. This means they automatically decide when to think deeply and when to respond fast. This is huge for efficiency. The rollout started on November 13th. Paid users got access first, then free users over the next few days. Now let's talk about pricing because this is important. GPT 5.1 has several pricing tiers. The free plan gives you about 10 messages every 5 hours, enough for light use. The plus plan costs $20 a month, Rs 399 in India, and offers 160 messages every 3 hours, along with access to the thinking mode for advanced reasoning. ChatGPT Go is a cheaper Indian option for users who need more than the free tier but less than Plus. The business plan is aimed at teams, providing higher limits and admin controls. The Pro plan costs $200 per month and gives unlimited access plus early experimental features. For developers, GPT 5.1 is available via API at 1.35 per million input tokens and $10 per million output tokens. Let me show you exactly how to access GPT 5.1 on different plans. To use GPT 5.1, go to chat.openai.com or open the ChatGPT app and log in. Sign up free if you don't have an account. Free users will automatically get GPT 5.1 Instant, though access may roll out gradually and message limits apply. Paid users, including Plus, Go, Business, and Pro, can select GPT 5.1 Instant by default or switch to GPT 5.1 Thinking for deeper reasoning. Legacy models like GPT 5 and earlier remain available under legacy models in the drop down for the next 3 months. Now, let's talk about the features. This is where GPT 5.1 really shines. It introduces adaptive reasoning, letting the model decide when to think deeply, quick replies for simple questions, detailed reasoning for complex ones. The tone is now warmer and more conversational, fixing the robotic feel of GPT 5. 8 personality modes are available, from friendly or professional to quirky or cynical, and users can instantly switch between them. With custom personality controls, you can fine tune warmth, conciseness, readability, and emoji use. Instruction following is far more precise, sticking closely to your requested style or format. Math and coding skills are upgraded, outperforming GPT 5 on AME 2025 and Code Forces. The context window expands massively, up to 400K tokens via API, 16K for free users, 32K for Plus Business, and 196K for Pro in Thinking mode. Lastly, custom instructions now apply instantly and consistently across all chats. Here are some other things you need to know. The rollout began on November 13th, 2025, with paid users getting access first and free users following over the next few days. If you don't see it yet, just check back soon. Now it's rolling out gradually to keep things stable. GPT-5 will stay available for about 3 months under legacy models, giving everyone time to compare before it's fully phased out. A more advanced GPT 5.1 Pro version is also on the way, though OpenAI hasn't confirmed a release date yet. The API is already live. GPT 5.1 Chat latest handles instant mode, while GPT 5.1 runs thinking mode. Safety filters are stronger now, but a few loopholes remain, like misspellings that can slip past moderation, and thinking mode can still show slight regressions in certain safety checks. Performance-wise, GPT 5.1 is a clear upgrade from GPT 5, though really long or complex code can still vary in quality, and thoughtful prompting like think step by step still helps it perform at its best. When stacked against competitors, GPT 5.1 outshines GPT 4.0 in math and coding, offers deeper reasoning than Gemini, though with a smaller context window, and takes a unique approach to safety compared to Claude, making it one of the strongest all around AI models available right now. So, in summary, GPT 5.1 is a smarter, warmer, and more capable upgrade to GPT 5, released on November 12th to address its flaws. It's free with limits or fully unlocked for $20 a month, accessible via ChatGPT or the API. It brings adaptive reasoning, 8 personality modes, stronger instruction following, and major math and coding improvements. The rollout is happening now, so check your account for access. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment which personality mode you'll try first. Thanks for watching. See you next time.